Hello and welcome to Commercial Roofs of Texas. My name's Mark Taylor and I'm fortunate to be here today with Mike Swartzer from IB Roof Systems, and we're going to talk a little bit about what's going on in our industry and how it's impacting our customers, the supply chain issues, raw materials, and some of the things that we can do to help our customers, because unfortunately, regardless of the economy, the supply chain, when it rains, roofs leak. And so we want to make sure that we offer our customers a solution that we can get to them affordably and quickly, even in trying times such as this. So I'm going to let Mike talk a little bit about what we have to offer and what we're doing with IB Roof Systems as our partner in the roofing industry. Mike, if you'll speak to it a little bit, I'd sure appreciate it.
Yes, sir. We are working with Commercial Roofs of Texas on some maintenance programs and some products that help their maintenance program so that you can keep your roofs dry and extend the life of the current roof that you have in the times where we've had shortages of material. The IB Sealer is a product that they carry and they use in their maintenance, and they use it as a part of a restoration system. This product sticks to literally every different type of roof system that's out there. It'll help to keep you dry inside the building, and then you can do restoration processes with a silicone coating to extend the life of the current roof that you have on the property, so that if you're having trying times replacing a roof today, you can actually get some more miles out of the current roof that you have on your property.